Hello students, welcome back to your computer class. So dear students, in the last class we started your internet lesson, that is about your web browser, and we discussed about your internet introduction and also the history of internet, how the internet is formed, and few terms of internet which you learned in your previous standard, even that we have discussed. So in today's class we'll continue the next few terms of your web browser, that is your home page and hyperlink, URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator, and about your ISP, that is Internet Service Provider. So about these four terms we are going to see in this video. So let's have a demo on these four topics so that it will be clear for you to understand. So first is your home page. So children, you know that for every textbook on top you can find a name of the subject, whether it is a computer or a maths or English or a social, you can find a name as well as a different design and color. So by seeing that you can identify whether it is a computer book or an English book or a science book. So that is the first index page or the title for your textbook, I can tell. Similarly, in your web browser, if you open any website, you will get a home page. For every search engines or for every websites, you will be having a main page that is called as a home page, or the first page which appears is called as a home page. So here I have kept opened few websites, that is your Google. So whenever you open Google, this is the first page appears for Google, so this is called as a home page of Google. And if you open Yahoo, this is the first index page of Yahoo, and next is your Bing and YouTube. So YouTube you all know very well, so this is the first page. When you open a YouTube, you will get like this. So the starting page of every website is called as a home page. And next is your hyperlink. So hyperlink is a web page contains many things. So in every web pages, so I have opened your 4 web pages. In this you can find some text, colors and names in different languages, right? So for all these names you will be having a connection. So if I click here, it will take you to the another page, or if I go for Yahoo and if I click this also, it will take you to the different pages. Or to be very clear, if you open a YouTube and if you click on a video, you can find that the video start playing. So that is also called as a hyperlink. So if you click on any name or any link where your mouse pointer is changed to an hand symbol, only if your mouse pointer is changing to hand symbol, you can see that the mouse pointer is in a hand symbol. If it is a normal mouse pointer, then it is not a hyperlink. So I kept my mouse pointer on the name Google, where this is not a hyperlink because my mouse pointer is in same shape. If I keep my mouse pointer on this Google search, or if I'm feeling lucky, or on these names or different languages, then all these are called as a hyperlink. Even if you can check in your Yahoo. So if I keep my mouse pointer on Yahoo, my mouse pointer is in hand symbol, so this is an hyperlink where US election, finance, news, cricket, coronavirus, so all these are hyperlink. If I keep my mouse pointer in middle, then this is not an hyperlink. Same way in YouTube, if I keep my mouse pointer here, it's not an hyperlink. Where if I keep my mouse pointer on the videos, you can find that a hand symbol, so it is an hyperlink, I can tell. So if you click on that, it will take you to the next page in your web browser, that is called as a link. And next is your URL, Uniform Resource Locator. So here URL means, here URL refers to Uniform Resource Locator. So children, you people have an address for your house. If you wanted to buy anything from online, or if you order anything, you give an address. So based on the address, the items gets delivered to your home. If your address is wrong, then it will not reach, right? So the same way, for every website in your web browser, it has an address. So that address is called as Uniform Resource Locator. So every website is unique. So every website has a unique address where the same address won't be repeated for other websites. If you notice, you can find I have opened here 4 tabs of 4 websites where each websites are different name with different spellings, where it is not repeated, because every websites are unique here. None of the websites will have a same name. So that's why we call it as URL, Uniform Resource Locator, and you type this address on top of your web browser. This box name is called as an address bar. So you have to type all the websites address in the same place if you want to open. So this box is called as an address bar, and here you should type the website address, the unique website address. And you have many websites like Discovery Channels, and you have National Geography, then you have Educations, Byju's. So all these are called as a websites you can open and you can learn. And next is your internet service provider, ISP. So ISP means it's a company that provides you the service to use an internet, because without ISP you can't able to work. You need someone's resource to utilize an internet like BSNL, Airtel, Vodafone, Jio. So there are many networks now. Before there were less networks, but now you can find a lot of networks where you can pay and you can get it and you can utilize that internet. So hope you have been used this networks from past few months to learn your classes, that is online classes. Without internet it's not possible to work, right? So ISP means the service who gives you the internet is called as an ISP, and you have to pay for it. You will not get it for free. Either you can pay for a day wise or a month wise or 3 months or 6 months. So there will be a packages from every companies you can buy and you can use it for your work. So hope you are clear with 4 topics which I taught you today, that is your homepage, hyperlink, uniform resource locator, as well as ISP. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box.